Hey, the good folks over at CHICLUX sent me this 6-tier plant stand. It goes from the floor up. I'm going to put it back here by my bookcase, and we're going to see what it looks like. But for right now, let's get the box open, get it spread out, and get it put together. Now this has two plant stands in them, so it'll match. One on each side of the bookcase over there. Have our assembly instructions. Look, our lamps here. These are all numbered. Those are number sevens. All right, we got it all spread out. Now let's look at our parts here and make sure we have everything. That looks good. Assembly instructions. We're going to start with number 8 and number 5. Y'all stick around and watch the sped up process. Okay, I got the parts separated. I've got the one stand parts over there, and I got these stand parts over here. We're going to get this one put together. Then I will cut the video there, and then we'll go to see what it looks like over there. Let's get this one put together, and I'll kind of speed through it so it won't bore you too much. Let's get her done. Got to get my instructions. Okay, first thing we're going to do is put some little pads on the bottom side of this. This is our baseboard. Kind of looks like Oreos. Two number sevens will go here. And those roll right here. Okay, you don't want to over tighten any of this. So until we get our shelves in here, then we can go back and tighten all these screws. And we are ready for shelf number 2. Okay, we got those started. And we'll go with shelf number 4 up here. Okay, now we can go ahead and get these tightened up and we'll move on up. Be real careful when you're using a power tool so you don't over tighten them and strip them out or pull the screw all the way through the metal. Number 9 is going to go right here. Okay, we're going to put number 3 shelf here and number 2 shelf here. there we have it. Now we need to put our light up here, and that should almost complete number 1. Okay, we'll just drop our cord right through the hole there. We have a nut and a washer. Hopefully you can see up in there where this keyhole is right here. That's where this light is going to slide into right. Come right down into that. Just like that. And we'll bring these right up here. We'll tighten those up. And we'll get our lampshade put together, and then we'll get it set up here. Has little clips right here. Those will clip onto the wire here of the frame of the shade. This part will face in, just like that. Really easy, just snap it right in there. Just like that. Pull this around, just like so, and this one will snap in right there. Just like that. Work your way around. Get over here, it's got Velcro right here. Just kind of pull that up. Well, you can go ahead and put this frame in there too. And then you can pull it up tight and snap it into place. Velcro it into place. Now we will set that on top of our little light fixture there. Just take the lampshade, set it, get it lined up, just like that. And there we go. And you can run this cord however you need to kind of try to hide it. And it does have your grow lights here. It has 4 of them. 2 will go on this shelf, and the other 2 will go on the other shelf. It is USB-A. Looks like it comes with some little Velcro straps for your wiring. You want to install these will screw right into the bottom of your shelves, pointing down. Basically, it'll go like that right there. It's got little screws. You can screw those in right there to hold your lights up. Okay, that is shelf number 1. I'm going to go ahead and put it in place and get shelf number 2 put together. Actually, it'll probably be tomorrow, to be honest with you, because it's really late and I need a little beauty sleep. So we'll get the other one put together, and then I'll show you what they look like. All right, as you see, I got both of the shelves put up and ready to go. These have the grow lights under here. You can put them on here, or as you see on that shelf, you don't have to put them on there. It's just totally up to you. Got it both ways, so you can kind of see the difference. They have a switch on here. I'll bring the camera up a little closer so you can see. Okay, you have your switch area. You got the power. You can turn them on and off. It has a timer on it. Has a reverse. You can switch it, the lights, whichever ones you want on. You have one on, the other one on, both on. However you want to do it. You can dim them. And that, keep pushing that plus minus button, and it will dim them and brighten them. Your light up at here, you can pull the chain and turn it off. You can put whatever color light in there you want, just kind of ambient lighting, or you can put a clear light in there for a regular light. Really nice. Work on getting this cord kind of tucked out of the way where you won't be able to see it. You can kind of work the cords, kind of get them out of the way. They come with Velcro straps, as I mentioned earlier, and you can just run them down to the bar on the back side of it, and it wouldn't show up. Put some big nice plants on there. You got your grow lights. Hey, if you'd like to get your hands on some of these, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order your own. Also, if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'm inviting you now to go ahead and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Definitely a thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.